Welcome. I'm Chrisan Murata, and this is Wednesday in the Word, my podcast about what the Bible means and how we know. The podcast is on break this week for the holidays. In the meantime, you can find previous episodes on WednesdayInTheWord.com. Once you're there, click on Bible Studies. To thank you for listening, I've got a treat for you today. Here is My Prayer for You by Reggie Coates of heartfeltmusic.org. I'm Chrisan Murata, and I'll meet you here soon at Wednesday in the Word.
May the Lord direct your heart into the love of God and into the steadfastness of Christ. May the Lord direct your hearts into the love of God and into the steadfastness of Christ, into the love of God, yes, and into the steadfastness of Christ.